This is a video about how to operate the master bedroom remotes. The remote on the left is the Dish remote. The remote in the middle is the Samsung remote. And the remote on the right is the Roku remote. And this is how it works. You take the Dish remote and press the single button right here, and it cuts on the TV. So you hear it cut on, and it has a little hesitation. It does this, it comes, that information is on, and then it's going to have a little bump like that, and then it cuts on again, and so it's on. In order to change the TV, just simply go in here and change on the channel, or you can come up here and push guide, and you can see when you do that, you have all the various guides onto the TV. The second remote is the Samsung remote itself. So if you want to switch from watching regular TV to the Roku, you take the Samsung remote and push the source button. When you do, you'll see what happens is that it comes up and gives you a choice of HDMI2, which is the TV, PC, TV, or going back on down here to HDMI3, and then down to HMDI, and that shows the Roku. And then if you want to watch Roku, you simply press the button right here on the Samsung remote, and when you do, then that will then connect to the Roku mode. Let's see if that's the case. You then take the Roku remote here, and if you've operated Roku before, you can simply push the OK button. And when you do, it's going to activate the Roku. And once that happens, let's give it a moment. We'll push the home button. The Roku remote is right here under the TV. Make sure that you're pointing toward the Roku remote when you go to change channels on the Roku. It wants to be a little fussy right now, so I'm going to try pushing another button, pushing the Netflix button. I'm going to go back and make sure I've got the right source button. It's got Roku. There it is on the TV. I'm going to push home. Anyway, it will come up that way. It's going to be a little fussy right now. But those are the three remotes. If you want to go then back to watching regular TV, push the source button on the Samsung remote. Click back up until you get HDMI2. Push the center button here, and then you're back to regular TV. So that's how you operate it, and very simple. You're either on the remote source or you're on the Roku source. That's how to operate these remotes. Again, there are three: the Dish remote, the Samsung remote, and the Roku remote.